Welcome back. In this video, we're making strawberry lemon ricotta pancakes. For the dry ingredients, 2 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, 1 cup of whole milk, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, and 2 cups of fresh ricotta. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry, give that a quick whisk, melt a few tablespoons of butter over medium heat, spoon 1/2 cup of the batter into the frying pan, place the strawberries into the batter, sprinkle peony flower petals over the top, cook for 4 to 6 minutes per side. Onto a serving plate goes the pancakes. Spread 1 teaspoon of lemon curd over the top of each pancake, drizzle all over with strawberry syrup, decorate with some more peony flowers, and there we have it, strawberry lemon ricotta pancakes. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.